Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know I haven't done like a main video besides vlogs for a couple of weeks now, but I'm sure this one will excite you. So I got my first ever OWLCRATE subscription box and I'm so excited. I've never had one of these before. I ordered it this week. No, I didn't. I ordered it probably like the middle of last month, but it arrived this week is what I was trying to say. I'm so excited. It looks so cool, and like it's got like the little owl prints and hashtag OWLCRATE and OWLCRATE and more OWLCRATE, and I won't show you the back because it's got my address on it, but I've never had an OWLCRATE before. My boyfriend is so excited to see this, so I'm gonna unbox it for you guys and it's gonna be really exciting. Where did that actually come from? Oregon. I knew it was somewhere in America, but the UPS shipping number only came through the other day and I clicked on the tracking and it was already in Australia by the time I got my tracking, and I was like, okay, that happened really fast. Now, how do you open it? I'm back. I just had to go locate some scissors. Goodness. Anyway, box. So I'm not going to look at the items, I'm just going to pull them out. Okay, I just wanted to know how they were packed, to be honest. Okay, so it's open. Oh my god, I'm just holding the box. Oh, I love it. So it says, try to show you without spoiling myself. Looks like that, and it says guide to unboxing if you give 2 hoots. Snap a photograph and film your unboxing experience, which is what we're doing. Share, show off your treats to the OWLCRATE community, and snuggle up, get cozy and enjoy your new book. Hashtag OWLCRATE. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Alright, so the first item, I haven't seen anything yet, is this, which is upside down. So it's the, oh, that's the spoiler card? Anyway, it looks like this. I think this, it says spoiler warning, so I think that's a spoiler card. I haven't read it, but anyway, it looks really cute though. So it looks like this. And it's got this, I'm trying to avoid the glare, this picture of this girl and a lantern, a pile of books, and she's reading something called Little Witches, and there's like a tea being poured. Oh my god, I just looked, but I didn't see anything, it's okay. Next item are book nerd socks. So this is it's an OWLCRATE exclusive item, and it's by Underlined with out of print. They are unisex small, which is what? Yes, it's gonna fit me. So it's a women's 5.5 to 9, and I am a 5.5. So that's really exciting. I actually really like them. They're so cute. Aww. Put your nerdy pep into your step. Okay, so I really like this. So this was actually a spoiled item. So we got a hint to one of the items and we knew that they would be a out of print pair of socks, but we didn't know what the print was, and it was an OWLCRATE exclusive item, so we didn't know, we wouldn't have been able to find the print anyway online. But I really like this. I think they're so cute, and I like the colours, except it kind of reminds me of Port Power, but anyway, that's okay. Those fellow South Aussies will know what that means. So I'm just throwing everything else away. Okay, I don't know what to grab next. This one. This is the tea spot. Is that tea? It's tea. I'm gonna try this tonight. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this packaging though. So it looks like that, and it says the tea spot on it, and it's got little like pots and stuff, and it's a choco mint truffle. That sounds really interesting. And there's a promo code, I suppose, to buy more if you like it. But choco mint truffle. I don't know whether I'm gonna like that. It sounds good though. So the ingredients are literally black tea, peppermint, and chocolate flavouring. I'm not usually a big fan of peppermint tea, but I love chocolate tea. So this might be a really good thing. Alright, next item. Sorry if I'm going super slow. What is that? Wait. It's a tea strainer! I was literally gonna buy myself one of these the other day, but I didn't. I'm really glad. Brew a mug of delicious tea with this special tea strainer. Snuggle up with a good book for an afternoon reading of bliss. So obviously these items have been specifically made to go together, which I really like. Oh, and it's so cute. It's a love heart. And it's an OWLCRATE branded item, if you're wondering. The next thing, well, there's something down the side here. The button, and it's got the girl on it. It's really cute. I like it. I like it a lot. This is a art print by the looks of it. It's got, okay, it's Harry Potter themed. They said there wouldn't be any fandom themed things, but this is Harry Potter themed. So it's got the Mirror of Erised, and it's got Hedwig in his little cage, and books, and I was gonna say a spell stick. A wand, and the spell stick. I really like that. I'm totally gonna put that somewhere. I don't know where, but I really like it a lot. Ah. Okay. I think this is the final like not book item in the box, but I haven't looked. Okay, I reckon this is a book pouch. They mentioned that there was going to be a company, and I can't remember what the company was called. I'll look in a minute. And it was going to be an item that they've never done before that you can put books in. I really like this. So it's this little pouch. It opens like that, and it just looks like that on the inside. It just says OWLCRATE, and on the back there is a quote, and it says, "Books are a uniquely portable magic." How sweet. It is an OWLCRATE exclusive signed edition, and it's called, move to the side, Pride by Ibby Zoboy. It looks like this. And I can already tell, oh my god, it's hot pink. It is hot pink. And how pretty is that spine? And it's got pictures of these people. I am assuming that they are the characters. Is there any more on the back page? Yeah, they're on the back page as well. And it's signed! Oh man. Basically it says on the front that it's a Pride and Prejudice remix. So I'll read you the description. So it says Zuri Benitez has pride, Brooklyn pride, family pride, and pride in her Afro-Latino roots. But pride might not be able to save her rapidly gentrifying neighborhood from becoming unrecognizable. When the wealthy Darcy family moves in across the street, Zuri wants nothing to do with their two teenage sons, even as her older sister Janae starts to fall for the charming Ainsley. Oh my gosh, I can't read today. She especially can't stand the judgmental and arrogant Darius. Yet as Zuri and Darius are forced to find common ground, their initial dislike shifts into an unexpected understanding. But with four wild sisters pulling her in different directions, cute boy Warren vying for her attention, and college applications hovering on the horizon, Zuri fights to find her place in Bushwick's changing landscape or lose it all. So yeah, it's a retelling, a Pride and the Prejudice remix, but the cover's really cool. I love it so much. That is so cool. And it's not very long actually. And it's decent, but it's not like crazy. And the writing is big, so it's under 300 pages. It's like 288. But the writing is really nice and large. And then the other book, oh, I came with these. I'm getting two up myself. And it's got the little note. And you run this block, this hood, my heart. Bookmark. And then the second book, sorry. The second book, I'll take out the wrapping. Okay, so obviously it's got a bookmark again. It says absolute power can corrupt even the purest of hearts. Looks like that. Very cool, very cool. And then it's got the little card with the note. And it's like this, and it's called Shadow of the Fox. I really like this cover. That's so cool looking. By Julie Kagawa. Yeah, I'm gonna call her Kagawa. I think that would be her name. So, inside is red. Actually, that looks very, very similar to Hunting Prince Dracula. 1,000 years ago, the great Kami dragon was summoned to grant a single terrible wish, and the land of Iwagoto was plunged into an age of darkness and chaos. Now, for whoever holds the scroll of 1,000 prayers, a new wish will be granted. A new age is about to dawn, raised by monks in the isolated Silent Winds Temple. Yumeko has trained all her life to hide her yokai nature. Half kitsune, half human, her skill with illusion is matched only by her penchant for mischief. Until the day her home is burned to the ground, her adoptive family is brutally slain, and she is forced to flee for her life with the temple's greatest treasure, one part of the ancient scroll. There are many who would claim the dragon's wish for their own. Kage Tatsumi, a mysterious samurai of the Shadow Clan, is one such hunter, under orders to retrieve the scroll at any cost. Fate brings Kage and Yumeko together with a promise to lead him to the scroll. An uneasy alliance is formed, offering Yumeko her best hope for survival, but he seeks what she has hidden away, and her deception could ultimately tear them both apart. With an army of demons at her heels and the unlikeliest of allies at her side, Yumeko's secrets are more than a matter of life or death. They are the key to the fate of the world itself. And that one is signed as well. I love it. So I don't know what the original covers of these books look like, so I assume that it's in here. I've seen like other people who unbox stuff. Oh, I love it. So I'll just throw it on the floor. It says, enjoy your adventure. And it's got, is this a spoiler? Every November box will include an exclusive wax seal kit. So they're gonna include a wax seal kit with the next month, which is Rise from the Ashes. I'm not sure if I want to get that one or not, but I think I might because I want a wax seal kit. So this is obviously the little spoiler book thing. Okay, so here's the difference. So Pride normally has blue writing, and then the OWLCRATE exclusive has pink writing. Does it say what the other... Yep, so the other one, OWLCRATE's, is all red like that, and the normal one has black on it. Thanks guys for watching my video. I know this one probably dragged on a little bit, but I was just full of excitement the whole time. I've never had a box before, so this was very exciting. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video.